Hello students, today we are going to study AM, GM and HM. So we know very well that AM is greater than equal to GM is greater than equal to HM. AM means what? Arithmetic mean. This is arithmetic mean, this is geometric mean and this is harmonic mean. So today we will discuss about this thing AM greater than equal to GM. We will particularly take this part AM greater than equal to GM. Proof is very easy, but our purpose is how do we apply this thing in our question. Okay, so AM, this arithmetic means, suppose some numbers are given x1, x2, x3 and so on. Okay, suppose x1, x2, x3, xn, these n numbers are there, x1, x2, x3 dot up to xn. If someone is asking us to calculate arithmetic mean of these n numbers, so this is quite simple, everyone knows it. It will go up to xn upon n. This is also represented as summation of xi, I equal to 1 to n upon n. Okay. What is geometric mean? Geometric mean means whatever quantities are given, multiply all of them x1, x2, x3 up to xn whole to the power 1 by n. Okay. So this AM and GM, AM greater than equal to GM, how do we apply this? This concept is very important and many questions have been asked in the past. So let us see how do we apply it. So first point, where do we apply it? So suppose someone is asking us that this function is given, this type of function is given, a times f of x plus b upon f of x, and someone is asking calculate the minimum value is asked. Then we use this AM greater than equal to GM. So two hints will be given. If some question is given and in that question whether this concept is applied or not, how to know? These two hints will be given. First hint will be that all quantities are positive. First hint will be all quantities are positive. All quantities are positive. And second hint will be if they have given you sum of the quantities, then they will ask you the maximum value of product, and if they have given you product of those quantities, then they will ask you the minimum value of sum. So second point I am going to mention over here, that they will ask the maximum value of product, or third thing is they will ask you the minimum value of sum. So in these cases we use this AM greater than equal to GM concept, and this AM greater than equal to GM concept is the most stable thing for all the positive quantities, and equality holds. We can make a note over here that equality holds only when all quantities are same. Like we are given 2, 2, 2, these four numbers. If we calculate AM, then you are going to get 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 upon 4. This is 2. And if you calculate GM of these four numbers, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 4, again you are going to get 2. So you can see here clearly that AM will be equal to GM only in the case when all the numbers are same. Okay. Now let us do some question. to clarify this m greater than equal to gm. Okay, suppose first question, it is given that a b c belongs to r plus, and they have given us a plus b plus c equal to 18. Then what they are asking? Maximum value of a, first part they are asking a b c, second part a square b c, third part they are asking a square b cube c to the power 4. Okay, so previously only in previous slide, if you see, I have told you that they will ask you maximum value of product or they will ask you minimum value of sum. So if you see here, they are asking you maximum value of what? This, the product of these three numbers. Okay, means, and again first hint is a b c belongs to r plus. R plus means all are positive, means surely we have to use m greater than equal to gm to calculate the maximum value of abc. Okay, let us solve it. So apply am greater than equal to gm over here. We have three numbers a, b and c. So am of these three numbers will be a plus b plus c upon 3. Here our concept is am greater than equal to gm, and gm of these three numbers will be a, b, c to the power 1 by 3. Okay, here a plus b plus c is already given 18. So 18 by 3 will be greater than equal to a, b, c. It will be as it is, and here this is power 1 by 3. 6 times, if you take cube, so this will become 6 cube, and here it will become abc. Means abc will be always less than 6 cube. So the maximum value of abc will be 216, means this a, b, c will be less than equal to 216. Okay, now if you want to calculate the maximum value of a square bc, here we have to apply little intelligence. How do we calculate this? You are given a plus b plus c equal to 18. Now you have to split these things in such a way that after multiplying you are going to get a square, index of a as 2. So which part we have to split? So if you split this a in two parts like this, a by 2 plus a by 2, again b plus c, because the index of b is 1 here and index of c is also 1. So if we split like this and we apply am greater than equal to gm, now we have four quantities. That is why divided by 4, and here again a by 2 into a by 2 into b into c to the power 1 by 4. Again a plus b plus c, here this is 18, so it will be 18 by 4 greater than equal to, here if you see a square bc, and below we are getting 4 to the power 1 by 4. Now how to get the maximum value of a square bc? So first of all, this is 9 by 2 to the power 4 greater than equal to a square bc upon 4. Okay, now carry this for this side, so you will get a square bc less than equal to 9 upon 2 to the power 4 into 4. So that is how we can calculate. So third part you can do yourself, very easy. A can be split in two parts, so a by 2 and a by 2. Then b can be split up into three parts, b by 3 plus b by 3 plus b by 3. I will show you, like a plus b plus c is given 18, so a can be split up into two parts, a by 2 and a by 2. Then b can be split up into three parts like this, and then c can be split up into 4 parts. So like that we can apply am greater than equal to gm over here. Now how many quantities are there? 1 2 2 3 5 5 and 4 9 9 and again greater than equal to whatever. So this is hint. Let us do some more problem, standard problem. So let us see this problem. It is given in the problem that a square plus b square equal to 1 and am square plus n square is equal to also 1. am n in bracket they have given am n a b, all these things belongs to r plus. So they are asking us to calculate a mod of am plus bn equal to what? Now here we can apply am greater than equal to gm. They are asking the maximum value of this. Again here this is the first hint that all quantities are positive, and again here they are asking maximum value. So again somewhere some relation is there with am greater than equal to gm. Wherever these things are there, positive quantities, and they are talking about some maxima minima, then first of all we have to think about am greater than equal to gm. How do we apply it here? See, we need am and bn. What I will do, if you see here a square plus m square, if we apply am greater than equal to gm on these two quantities, you are going to get a square m square to the power 1 by 2. So from here you will get a square plus m square greater than equal to am. Here mod will come, but we know that am all are positive, that is why simply I am writing here am. Okay, if you want you can write mod also, not a problem. And here this is 2. Okay, again if we apply m greater than equal to gm on these two numbers, then you are going to get b square plus n square greater than equal to bm with mod, but this mod will automatically open because all these numbers are positive, 2 times am, and here b square plus n square greater than equal to 2 times b, 2 times bm, 2 times bm. Okay, this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. This is greater than equal to, this is greater than equal to. Okay, if we add equation 1 and equation 2, let us see what we are going to get. So above it is a square m square greater than equal to 2 times am, 2 times am, a into m, and below it is b square plus n square greater than equal to 2 times, and here this is bn. If we add these two, we are going to get a square plus b square plus m square plus n square greater than equal to 2 times, we can write here am plus bn with mod, no problem, because these two are positive quantities, and if you put mod over here, no problem. They have given you 1, this as 1, again this as 1, so you are going to get 2 am plus bn. 2 gets cancelled, you are going to get mod am plus bn less than equal to 1, means maximum value of am plus bn will be 1. So this is the problem. Okay, now you can see it was asked the maximum value of am plus bn, and we have calculated am plus bn less than equal to 1, means the maximum value is 1. Now one question was asked in IIT in year 2011. Let us see the problem. They had asked the minimum value of sum of a to the power minus 5, a to the power minus 4, 3 times a to the power minus 3, 1, a to the power 8 and a to the power 10, and they had given when a is greater than 0, when a is greater than 0. So it was asked in, this is IIT JEE 2011. The minimum value of sum of a to the power minus 5, a to the power minus 4, 3 times a to the power minus 3, 1, a to the power 8 and 10. Again they have given here hint that a is positive. If a is positive and they are talking about minimum value, then again you have to go back to am greater than equal to gm, because all numbers are positive and they are asking about minimum value. Okay, so how to do it? Again we have to focus upon this. They are asking about minimum value of sum, so they have given these quantities. Let me write it again. They have given you a to the power minus 5, a to the power minus 4, 3 times a to the power minus 3, this is 1, and here this is a to the power 8 and a to the power 10. Okay, now they are asking you the minimum value of this. This was integer type question, so obviously answer will come in integer. Okay, they are asking you the minimum value of this, so you have to apply am greater than equal to gm, minimum value. Okay, we have to apply am greater than equal to gm so intelligently that this a should not remain in the answer. They are expecting you to get answer in some digit, so this a should get vanquished. So we will split it in such a way that all a should get vanquished. So if we apply am greater than equal to gm, let us see, a to the power minus 5 plus a to the power minus 4, here this can be split up into 3 parts, this plus this plus this. Again this is 1, a to the power minus 3, this is, okay, I have written this 4 times, this is 1, this is a to the power 8, this is a to the power 10. Now you see how many quantities are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you multiply their power, this is minus 5 minus 4, minus 9, minus 9 minus 3, minus 12, minus 15, minus 18, and again this power is 18. So here this is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Greater than equal to, all these quantities will get multiplied, a to the power minus 5. So if you multiply, power will get added, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, how many times? 3 times, minus 3 into 3, and again plus 8 and plus 10. So this is the thing. So here you are going to get, this is 10 plus 8, 18, and again here also 18. So a to the power minus 18 plus 18 means a to the power 0. So you are going to get here 1. So they are asking you the minimum value of this. Now we have got this, a to the power 8, a to the power 8 plus a to the power 10 greater than equal to 8. So the answer is 8. Minimum value of this quantity is 8. So we have to apply this am greater than equal to gm very intelligently, and then you can see answer was 8. Very nice question. Okay, so in this way we can apply this m greater than equal to gm in many questions. In trigonometry also it is used. Okay, thank you very much.